Welcome to Character Works. Today's character trait is creativity. Creativity is a fun character trait. See, it's fun to be creative. It's fun to create things. Some of us tell ourselves that we are not creative. The problem with that is that we all have the ability inside us to create. You know, it's not just limited to artists, musicians, sculptors, people in the arts. It can also be creativity in science and mathematics and in literature, different types of things. Any career can be made better by being creative. So what is the definition of creativity? Well, it's approaching a need, a task, an idea from a different perspective, and you're striving for a new solution. See, the opposite of this is not just not being creative, it's underachieving. See, we strive for achievement. We try to move towards solving problems. And to do that, we need to exercise the character trait of creativity. Here are some simple ways that maybe you can think about getting yourself jump-started toward being more creative. One of the things is you can change your routines. You see, we get in ruts. We do the same things over and over and over again. And if we think we're going to get different outcomes, that's the definition of insanity. So if you change up your routine when you start the day, maybe what you eat, clothes you wear, different types of things, just change up the way you go to work, change up where you're sitting, move around a table if you're on a team. Different ways of just changing simple routines can get you out of your comfort zone, and all of a sudden you feel that positive energy of creativity. Now, here's a novel thing to do is try different things. When I say that, I'm not necessarily talking try different foods, or, try reading different books, try looking at things from a different angle, try looking at something from a total different discipline. Think about the different angles that you can come at a situation, and you're trying something new, doing something that you have never done before. Don't let yourself be pulled in to the hole that says, well, you've never done it this way before. Be the one who says, let's do it differently. Let's see. Try and try and try. It may break, 1,000 times, but keep trying. Approach things from different angles. Another way to think about it. And remember, as you're trying to solve something, don't make it such an arduous task that you can't enjoy it. Sometimes we just need to laugh. Laugh over and over again. I ask people often, if you go to the automobile supply store, you go to Walmart or somewhere, and you need some lubricant, and you pick up a can of WD-40. I ask them what WD-40 stands for. Well, WD-40, the WD part, is the water displacement theory. It's how we squirt a liquid into an area where we want to displace the water, hence water displacement. Why the number 40? Because it took 40 tries before they got the product WD-40. They had to do something different. And each time they tried it, it failed until the final time that they got it right. Don't give up. Exercise creativity. Get around other people that can cause your mind to move, get you moving, get you thinking. Think outside the box, different colors, different shapes, different things. However you can think about something, you can solve the problem if you use the character trait of creativity. We'll see you next time on A Character Works.